Good morning, Harrogate. I was going to say sunny Harrogate, but just felt a few bits of rain there. How is everybody? I've had a long week off with my surprise holiday, which you're going to see in the video for this one. We ended up in Morocco, which I couldn't say, sorry, just climbing down these ladders. I couldn't say for, obviously, forever, because Laura would hear it, or kids would find out and probably bloody tell her or something, you know what I mean? So, yeah, we ended up in Marrakesh, which was really good. Done a vlog on it, like I say, and I've gone, oh, I love it, I love this, love that. But feel a bit tight now, because I don't know how I feel about the camels. Poor little buggers. Probably just stood there again, you know, just being tied up. It's horrible. It's not nice at all. So I'm a bit deflated about camels, but it was good at the time. Saw the desert, Atlas Mountains, stuff like that. It was good. It was nice. But we got kidnapped within the first half an hour of being in Marrakesh. So we're going to see what went on there. Quite scary. Obviously, it's not on video, but the story's there. Quite scary. So get yourself over and have a look on the previous vlog. But yeah, we're in Harrogate. Let me show you what we're doing. So we're doing this concrete pad again. I've just had the guy who is going to be building the roof for us out. He's doing quite a few bits really, but we're building this shed. So we're going to lay blocks flat down here. We're going to extend this today, like another foot all the way around to this corner. And then we've got steps, which will be about where Tom is, to be honest with you, down there. So we might just need to extend this section here. We're going to work it all out as we go, but it can be as much this way as we want. It's just the steps that way. But obviously how far the steps come down, so we need to work out with his mathematics and see where we're at. But yeah, we were just saying, company who we're subbing for this, they're putting like concrete girders on with blocks in between, but then we're paving on top, so somewhere needs to be like waterproof so no goes inside. But this is why I've agreed not to do the roof, because it's not coming back to me. No, absolutely no chance it's coming back to me. So they're doing that section, so it's quite good. But yeah, today top up the concrete, level it out. It's about an inch lower at this side, about an inch lower at this side as it is to that side. So we're going to go back over and just fine it all up, see how it's going. But yeah, it's nice. Do you know what? 5 days is enough for a holiday, especially somewhere like that. Laura has never been so ignored in her life, because obviously in like a Muslim country, I'm the boss, and which in England I'm just not the boss, you know what I mean? But yeah, she's felt a bit uncomfortable really. But 5 days were enough. Chilling out around pool, quite a luxury hotel. That's nice, really nice place. So it's nice to be back. But 12 more weeks and I'm going again, which doesn't seem long, but that's mid-August, second week in August. So yeah, catch you soon. And now we just need to cut a bit of rebar, put it in here, put it wherever it isn't really, up there again, and then shove all that over and in, and just keep going. But this bloody scaffolding's well in way. So I'm hoping, get this built up, get steps built, and then the scaffolding is in the way, so then we can pull off and go somewhere else for a few days or something. lucky this spade. So we've just been on a live for the past 20 minutes, so just started raining now. Someone said in Norwich it's absolutely smashing it down, and they can't do out, and how we're bragging how sunny it were here, and it's peeing it down now. But we've done the extension on the far side, and we've just done a little bit extra on this side. I think we're alright, but we'll just pull it over a little bit. But yeah, someone's just commented, I don't know if you watch all the time, but if you're there, it's pretty funny to be fair. Billy Bellend, because of his neck tattoo. I think he's brilliant. I think it's going to be BB, it's his name now, BB. But yeah, we're just off on his lunch. Coffee. We're just off on his lunch now. Just going to go driving to Harrogate. Hopefully not spend an absolute freaking fortune on out, but we'll see. We might just end up with a Tesco meal deal or something, whatever's in there. But yeah, guys, see you soon. What's that about? I had my top off 2 minutes ago in that time lapse then. Different joke, man. Tom were coming down, it's red hot in here. I'm like baking it, sun, he's in shade. I'm just getting dripped on now. We've got some conny down there, just being tipped over, so we're going to put that out, I think, cover it up, and then come back tomorrow. This is no good. It's not good for Connie, it's not good for me. I'm not going to say it's grey, I'm just going to say it's wet. done today. We've extended the shed base, and then on both sides, and then we've topped up. Some areas are only that thick, some as it's coming further along, some more and more and more. But yeah, that's it. Tomorrow, these really, look at it, packed up. Now look at it, it's bloody red hot again. So tomorrow we've probably got about 2 meters square, so 4 square meters. 4 square meters to do. So we're gonna grab some ballast, don't we, in. And then we're gonna get all the blocks down to the bottom. We're gonna get a ton of sand down to the bottom and prep for Monday morning. Straight away Monday morning, mixes on, start laying. Probably set out as well, to be fair. Shoelace is just getting absolutely sodden. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. Not a bad shift for my first day back from those holidays. It's always the worst. But yeah, see you all at morning, 8 o'clock sharp.